First of all, I will tell you I am a homemaker and I have been learning this language. Still, I am struggling with this language. Today, I am so happy because our YouTube family, Pooja Prabhakar English Speaking, has completed 200 subscribers. It may look like a small number, but for me, it is a big achievement. Whenever you subscribe, watch my video, and write positive comments, it's give me confidence and motivation to improve my communication skill and share with you more and more, because your support means a lot to me. Thank you so much for being part of Pooja Prabhakar English Speaking. Hello my dear learners, friends and homemaker just like me. Welcome back to my channel Pooja Prabhakar English Speaking. Today I want to share something very important and special with you. I hope you must be doing great at your home. I'm also fantastic at my home, and today you know what, I want to share something with you about my English journey. I know many of you are learning English and maybe you feel the same problem what I faced in my initially day. So today I want to tell you about my struggle and also how confidence and a positive mindset, believing in yourself, can change everything. So first of all, I want to share about my background. So my dear friend, what was my background during my school time? I was a student of Hindi medium. I did my all the study from Hindi medium. I never had the habit of speaking English, and at that time I never thought English is so important. But I realized after school, I realized that English is everywhere, in school, in education, in office, and our day-to-day life. English is needed. Because of this, I started face a problem. If someone spoke with me in English, I couldn't reply. I wanted to express myself, but I had no words. Slowly, I started feeling shy and nervous because I'm also an introvert person. So talking with people is very daunting task for. And when it came to English, so my confidence level went down even more. So my dear friend, which kind of problem I faced in my initially day, I will share with you. I want to be honest with you, my English journey was not easy. I felt shy when someone spoke with me in English. I felt hesitation in opening my mouth. I thought, what if I make mistake? And I fear that people would laugh at me. Sometimes I even thought that English is not for me. So these type of things made me more and more nervous. But deep inside me had a burning desire to learn this language. If other person can speak English, so I can too. One day I realized that very important, the problem is not English, the problem is confidence. When we have confidence, so we can achieve whatever we want in our life. I'm not just talking about English, I'm talking about whatever you want to do in your life. You just have to have confidence, so you can achieve in your life. Without confidence, even a small steps feel impossible. And after that, I thought I need a positive mindset. If I keep saying that I can't speak English, so I will never speak. But if I say I am learning, I am improving, so I will definitely speak. And third thing is believing in yourself is most important. If I don't believe in myself, so who will? So these three things are most important to learn English: positive mindset, confidence, and believe in yourself made me more and more confidence in our day-to-day life. And I started small sentences, with a small sentences like I am going to the market, I'm eating, I'm doing this work. I didn't wait perfect time, I didn't wait perfect grammar. I just started, and it made me more and more confidence, and it's become my habit. Whenever I did something, I tried to speak in English. I also started listening to English. I started watching video, and started reading books, small sentences, and practice every day, even only 10 minutes. And most important thing, I open my mouth. So my dear friend, until and unless you open your mouth, you can never learn to speak. So I want to give you some message. Maybe you are also from Hindi medium just like me. Maybe you also feel hesitation while speaking. Maybe you also feeling shy, nervous. So remember one thing, my dear friend. If I can learn English, you can too. If I can speak English today, you can speak English tomorrow. So my dear friend, never give up, because your journey may be slow, but step by step you will improve. One day you will speak English with full confidence. So my dear friend, thank you so much for listening to my story. I hope my story gives you courage and motivation. So keep learning, keep speaking, keep shining. I am with you in this story. Thank you so much.